Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a while. I haven't uploaded in about a week. I just felt like the last week of January I didn't want to film. I just wanted the month to be over. So much bad shit happened in January that I'm over it, and I'm just so happy that a new month is starting. So I'm gonna get back to it and film new videos. So today I'm reviewing the new Kylie Lipstick Kit. So she just released these new lipstick bundles and I got the shade Kylie. I also did another video where I reviewed the Kylie Lip Kit in the shade Kylie. In that video, she had just only released the matte liquid lipstick. So now she's releasing it in different formulas. I think she released it in a velvet formula, and then now she released it in a regular lipstick formula. So the lip kits are $26, which are a little cheaper than the matte liquid lipstick lip kits. The matte lip kits are $29. So these are a little bit cheaper, which is good. The packaging is also really cute. I really like the packaging. So I'm gonna open it now. So it does come with a lip liner, and then it comes with the bullet lipstick. So they both have the black packaging, as you guys can see. Also, the finish of these lipsticks are in the matte finish. They're not in the cream finish, because I know she has these in cream and matte. So I'm just gonna swatch it the back of my hand. The shade Kylie Lip Kit always came with a lip liner that was a little darker than the actual lipstick color. That's how she bundled these and why I really like this combination. So there is a swatch of the lipstick and the lip liner. As you guys can see, the lip liner is a little bit more brown and it's darker than the lipstick. The lipstick, it looks like a mauvey pinkish nude, and it is really pigmented. It does feel creamy so far. I think I like the scent better of the liquid lipsticks. For some reason, the bullet lipsticks or this one in the matte formula, I'm not crazy about the scent. It just smells a little weird. I don't know, it just smells a little strong for me, but like it's not that bad. Like it's still a pleasant smell. It's just maybe a little too strong for me. But when I apply it on the lips, the scent really just usually goes away, but we'll see. I did apply a little bit of foundation on my lips just to cancel out the pigmentation of my natural lip color. So I'm applying the lip liner first. Okay, and then I'm gonna fill in my lips a little bit with the lip liner, but not all the way. It definitely looks weird with just the lip liner, so I'm gonna apply the lipstick now. And then I kind of like tapping the lipstick on my lips. And then I go with my finger over the lipstick. Okay, that looks really good. And then I'm gonna go back in with the lip liner one more time. Alright guys, so this is how the Kylie Lipstick Kit in the shade Kylie looks. I liked it the first time when I tried out the first lip kit that she came out in the shade Kylie. And I actually really like the formula of this one a lot, because it does still have the matte finish, but the formula of the lipstick is a lot more comfortable and a lot more creamy. And of course, it's less drying than the matte liquid lipstick. As far as it lasting longer than the matte liquid lipstick, I would guess that it doesn't last as long, because the matte liquid lipsticks usually last longer than the regular lipsticks. So it just depends on what you're going for. So with the matte liquid lipstick, if you are planning to wear it for a really long time and you don't want it to come off, then you can purchase the matte liquid lipstick. But if you don't care about it not lasting all day and reapplying, then I think this is a really good lip kit to go with. And the formula is a little more comfortable and more hydrating on the lips, which is really good right now for the winter, because my lips are so dry, and they were dry right now before applying the lipstick, and now they feel a little bit more hydrated and they don't feel dry, and it does feel like more of a creamy formula, which I really like. Also, if you don't want it to be so matte, you can apply lip gloss on top. These are vegan, which is really good. I like that a lot about her lip kits. I would definitely recommend this new lipstick kit by Kylie. She released several other colors colors as well. So the other one that I had my eye on was Girls Trip, so I might end up buying that one next. But I really just love this one. It's like my favorite. I loved it the first time. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.